Hello, the other day I put some hooks on my small locomotive. I got it hooked up to the water coolers. Just scrap 2x4s, scrap 1.5 PVC pipe, and pretty much the only thing I bought was this booster seat and this steel pipe, 3/4 inch EMT conduit. I got the wheels for free out of the trash off of bikes. It's just all screwed together in 12 places. Very simple. And the hooks just screw right to the frame like these pieces of pipe do. So pretty much I spent about $3 on screws, $8 on this booster seat, and about $10 on this steel pipe, and that's all I bought. And my other engine's about twice the size, pretty much the same exact design. Yeah, I got this one for free. I tell you, I pretty much always use these booster seats for projects like this. They just work out really great for this application. Yeah, it's just as easy as plopping the seat on there and just driving a few screws into it. Yeah, this one I got my foot operated brakes right here. When you push down on it, it opens the brakes up like that and takes it away from the wheel. When there's no pressure on the brakes, they're locked onto the wheel, so you have to push it down. It's just like air brakes. I basically reverse these so they push open against the wheel. I have these two levers hanging down from the wheels. I just got some screws going into the chain and the chain wrapped around there, and the PVC pipe lever is wedged in there. This is what's going to go to my push rod. The push rod will connect down here, and the pistons and cylinders will go right here, and I'll put air pressure in it to make this engine move. Yeah, I have all my pistons and cylinders over here for the brakes and the wheels. Yeah, these trucks are just very simple. I took the conduit, I pounded it flat with a hammer and just simply drilled a hole in it, and it just bolts onto the wheel. I tell you, this engine feels like you're riding on top of a mountain and you're just looking down that cement floor going, I hope this thing doesn't derail and fall over. Yeah, my hooks are very simple, just basically a tongue sticking out the front of the engine with an eye, and a pin just goes in there. And the receiver on the back of the engine is basically 3 pieces of wood. You got this tongue that sticks out and these 2 pieces on here. And the tongue for the next car just slides right in there and you just push this pin in. And somehow I have to figure out how to connect power to these sprockets. Yeah, this is the first engine I made. Right now it's stripped down to its frame. So we're going to put some new wheels on it and add a seat to it. So basically we have the 4-wheel locomotive and the 6-wheel. So anyway, this project is coming along. Well, thanks for watching. Please subscribe and remember to always be creative. Yeah, next Saturday, all 6 of these stacks of plastic chairs are going to the yard sale to be sold. Hopefully I can get rid of them all. I hate to get rid of the Miami high back chair, but I have like 5 of them.